He wants you to have hope. Look, Adam alayhi salam fell, but he quickly sought forgiveness. The question is, are you and I quickly seeking forgiveness? You did something wrong. Do you say, oh Allah, I regret it? You read 2 units of prayer and cry to Allah, strengthen me, make me strong. What I did was wrong. I don't want to do it again. Make me strong and help me. And this is why we say, my brothers and sisters, every time as community and society we make halal difficult, we are guilty of making haram easy. It's like a seesaw. I'll give you one example, the example of fornication, adultery, etc. When you make nikah difficult, you are making zina easy. You're guilty. That's why they say, make it easy for them to get married. You know, we have people who, especially when you're living in a cosmopolitan nation, a beautiful city where people from all over the world have come together, different races, different tribes, whatever else, everyone has come together in one city, a city of London perhaps, and so many other cities. If your child has gone to school with someone totally different race, and one day they come back and they say, in college or wherever, university, they say, you know, mom or dad, I met someone, and really amazing person. I'd like you to meet them. Meet them, please. Meet them before you just say no. Meet them. It's your duty. Perhaps they might be sleeping together for the last 2 years and you don't even know. They want to make it halal for whatever reason it is. If you want to deny and decline, do it with a proper reason. Not just because you don't like it, you already planned that they're going to marry a cousin from back at home. No. That laughter means a lot are guilty. Hasbunallahu wa ni'mal wakil. Consider it, look into it. Then you can say, you know what? MashaAllah, what a lovely brother or what a lovely sister. MashaAllah, I see. Amazing. You were not worried about the race because race is irrelevant. Did you grow up together? I know some people use the excuse of, oh, there needs to be similarity. But you went to the same school, you ate the same food, you spoke the same languages, you have the same habits and so on. You follow the same people on Instagram and you are exactly the same. The only difference is your skin color or your race. If you are going to hold that as a reason, you are lost. You need to reconnect with Allah.